How to deactivate your Telegram account temporarily. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to deactivate your Telegram account temporarily for a short period of time, what you're gonna do is, first of all, open the Telegram app on your device. Now, you have to keep one thing in mind that Telegram does not have the option to deactivate it right away. So what you're gonna do is, first, in the top left corner of your screen, you can see a three-bar option. Click on it. Then you can see your profiles icon, which is over here. Go there, and then it'll take you to this sort of page. After you're here, scroll a bit down. Now in the settings option, you can see the option which says privacy and security. Click on it. Now scroll to the bottom of the page. Now scroll a bit down, and then over here you can see the option which says delete my account. Click on it. Now you'll be given various time period over here. Just select the time period. If you go to 1 month, now what this does is, if you do not use a Telegram app for a month, then it will delete your account. So you can select the time for up to 24 months. So this is how you can temporarily delete your Telegram account. So thank you for watching till the end of the video. Hope you like it and see you in the next video.